Hello, this is Elizabeth Hugo with the Ethics in Society podcast. I'm here with Dr. Sarah Lord today. And Sarah, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Sure. My name is Sarah Lord. I'm an assistant professor of psychiatry at the Geisel School of Medicine at Dartmouth College, and I direct the Dissemination and Implementation Core at the Center for Technology and Behavioral Health.
Thank you so much. And you are here at our Research Ethics Training Institute talking about ethical issues in emerging technologies and social media. Is that something you could talk a little bit more about?
Sure. I think if I had to choose one topic that's particularly interesting in this space of emerging and more perhaps growing technologies, it is that of the use of social media platforms for research, the research that we do. And I think, as with most everything, social media like Facebook and Twitter and Snapchat and the like offer really tremendous opportunities in terms of being able to conduct research and serve as platforms for interventions to allow broad reach to broad audiences of evidence-based interventions. At the same time, I also think there are lots of research questions and challenges as well that are posed with the use of social media. For example, there's a lot of survey work, for example, being conducted on Facebook around drug use, around HIV, STIs, and sexual risk behaviors. And I think there's lots to be learned about how to do that in a way that preserves people's confidentiality and preserves privacy. So when you have a business platform, which is what Facebook is,
I think we forget that sometimes.
We forget that sometimes, and so it's a business platform, and it's a free service to us. At the same time, that means that there is a lot of personal information that we essentially give up to that business when we sign up for Facebook or any of these other platforms. And so, I think building, one of the critical parts in conducting research on platforms like Facebook is first and foremost sort of making sure that our potential research participants know what they're signing up for. So if we are posting a survey on Facebook, we need to just be very, I think our work needs to evolve to be very, very concrete around sort of, we're partnering with Facebook to recruit folks from their platform on which they own a lot of the data.
Right.
And so they're, I'm trying to think about, you may have to edit this out, but so I think, building some, being really, really specific and concrete about information and ways in which information can be used is really important in the communications that we have with participants. So I think that's one solution, and I think it's an area of research that we need to sort of focus on.
Absolutely. And thanks for offering a solution and not just saying, this is a problem, but we don't know how to fix it.
Yeah. So it's a challenge, and hopefully it's one that we can, we as researchers and working in partnership with Facebook potentially,
right.
or just as an example, can try to kind of come up with some solutions that that protect everyone. Let's see.
That's enough if you want to stop there.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Great. Thank you so much, Sarah.
You're totally welcome. My pleasure.
Bye-bye.